Is it recording? It is recording.
Hi. Gary, I have something to share with you. I made my first sale today. Booyah, baby! I'm feeling the heat. I love this. Man, it has been a journey already. Man, I just feel good today. I woke up this morning and I looked at my ClickBank account and here's what I saw. Bunch of zeros. And then finally, yesterday, $24.92, baby. Wow. I tell you, I feel good about that right now. And you know what $24.92 is? 2 hours of my time where I work. I make about $10.48. I work at Ikea, Merriam. I'm a sales associate there, and the pay is crap. So I was so excited to finally, start the fire and start cranking out those ads, and no sale, no sale, no sale. And then this Friday hits and I got a sale, man. I'm just stoked. I wanted to share this with you, I wanted to make it a little more personal by sitting in my car having a phone and videotaping myself. But anyways, I had my first awesome day. Hopefully in a couple of days I'll be making another video and I have 100 sales. So Rise Academy, I am so happy to be part of the community. So thank you, and thank you.